Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn spoken English in a very simple and practical way. Our topic is one of the most confusing, but most useful tenses in English. Has been and have been. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will feel confident using them in daily conversation. What do has been and have been mean? Both has been and have been are used in the present perfect tense. They tell us about an action or situation that started in the past and continues up to now, or has relevance now. When do we use has been? We use has been with singular subjects, he, she, if, a single person or thing. Structure: subject plus has been plus verbing, past participle, or noun. Examples: he has been working as a fisherman for 10 years. She has been studying English every day. The boat has been repaired. My friend has been very helpful. In spoken English, we often say, he's been working. She's been learning. When do we use have been? We use have been with plural subjects. I, we, you, they. Structure: subject plus have been plus verbing, past participle, or noun. Examples: I have been learning spoken English from YouTube. We have been waiting for a long time. They have been fishing since morning. You have been a great audience. In daily speech: I've been learning. They've been working. Real-life spoken English examples. Let's imagine daily conversations. At work: I have been working here for 5 years. He has been absent since Monday. At home: we have been watching this channel regularly. She has been cooking since morning. For skills and habits: I have been practicing English every day. They have been improving a lot. Common mistakes to avoid: he have been working. He has been working. They has been fishing. They have been fishing. Remember, has been gives singular. Have been gives plural, I, you. Why is this tense important? Because native speakers use it all the time. If you want to sound natural and confident, you must practice has been and have been. Start using it from today. Talk about your job. Talk about your learning. Talk about your daily routine. Closing message. Friends, English is not about memorizing rules. It's about practice, confidence, and consistency. You have been watching this video. That means you are improving. I have been creating these videos to help you. And together, we have been growing step by step. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.